Okay, hey everybody, Colin here, and just wanted to give you my update on FETCH.AI. Okay, so I talked about this several weeks ago. I actually talked about when we had first broken out of this significant resistance area, right? Once again, just drawing a straight line across, and we look left. We realized that from the very beginning, this area held as support initially, and then when we broke down through it, guess what, guys? We have never been above this area for almost 2.5 years. We literally just broke above it 2 weeks ago, right? And when we broke above it, I talked about the measured move. Those people who took that trade with me, right? Here's what we would have had. Let me just take that extension off. We draw the measured move right here, and as you can see, guys, perfectly, right? It perfectly aligns with this measured move. We went all the way up to 2,500 satoshis from the breakout point of 1,500 satoshis, right, for a total of 57% gains. And that happened literally in 1 week. It actually happened in about a day or two, actually, right? I mean, it happened very, very quickly. So anyway, so that was 57% gains. You would have taken your profits in Bitcoin, and now we've actually come back down to retest this area. How we interact here is very significant. Now the fact that we've actually closed above this line is very, very promising. All right, what am I looking for? Well, first of all, I like to trade with little to no stress, which simply means I look for like midterm holds, right? I look for my trades to take place over the course of 2 to 6 weeks. And what we got going on here, I think the writing is on the wall. For one, we got to come back up to complete this cup pattern right over here, right? It's gonna all look like one nice big cup. So at a minimum, we got to come back up here. This 0.23 level definitely is going to be the next target. And once we get up here, we may peak above it for a little bit. Then I expect us to come back down and confirm support maybe around this area or so, before heading back up again in the coming weeks, as I've said. Now, beyond that, guys, look at this. We only have a few points of resistance, and beyond that, look up here. It is literally clear skies. Like once we get above this point right here, once we get above 4,500 satoshis, it is like clear skies back up to its all-time high, which at this point in time is nearly 10x in Bitcoin profits. 10x in Bitcoin profit. So of course, ultimately, we all want to get more Bitcoin. So that's what I'm looking for in terms of fetch. Keep a lookout for it. This is big. Of course, we expect Bitcoin to probably take a quick dive here soon. Wouldn't be surprised if, obviously, most of the time it takes the altcoins with it. That will be fine. I'll be looking for a quick rebound off of that. But in terms of fetch, very, very promising chart. Excellent market structure, in my opinion. And as you can see, the sky is the absolute limit. So I think there's big things ahead for FETCH.AI versus Bitcoin.